Hi everybody, how are you going today? Hope you're having a fantastic day and thank you for joining us for this video. Today we're going to talk to you about what you need and show you how to cut a pattern out. So first of all, what you'll need is some fabric scissors, you'll need some tailor's chalk, you'll need some pins, you will need a pattern, and obviously you will need some fabric. So the pattern that I'm going to cut out today is a dress pattern. It's a pattern that I've modified, but it's similar to New Look's 6262 dress pattern. So what you need to do is get yourself some fabric. If you're using woven fabric, you'll need to wash it beforehand because a lot of woven fabric actually shrinks when you wash it. Okay, so make sure your fabric's washed and dried. And then what we're going to do is pop our fabric down. I like to use a really nice big table when I'm cutting fabrics and patterns out, and wooden tables are really great too. This one's got a really nice paint finish on it, so it's actually nice and slippery. So lay your fabric out. And I like to cut my patterns with the fabric inside out. So because I use the tailor's chalk on the fabric, and then it doesn't, tailor's chalk doesn't leave a mark anyway, but it just means that you're actually sewing the seams on the inside. So when you put the tailor's chalk on, you can see it. All right, so lay your fabric down. Then you're going to fold it in half for where you need it and lay your pattern down. So as you can see, we've folded this bit in half like this, and we're going to lay the bodice of the dress down on top of the fabric. We've folded the fabric here, so we've got a fold running down the middle here. We're going to place the pattern that's on the fold like so. Then we're going to pin the pattern, so all the way around here you're going to pin it. I like to put quite a few pins in mine just to keep it still. You can also use weights to keep the pattern down. You can use a rotary cutter and a mat. I like pins and scissors. Now the next step too is you have your tailor's chalk here. So there's a dart in the bodice of this dress. So we're going to put the tailor's chalk in there like that and just mark that dart before we cut out the dress. So once you've got that pinned, you've got your tailor's chalk marked there, then you can cut it out. You can also get the tailor's chalk and trace around the pattern and then cut that out, but just this is the way that I do it. So once you've cut the front out and you've marked the darts with the tailor's chalk, now we're going to cut the back out. So we're going to mark the darts here with the tailor's chalk, and then we're going to cut around the whole thing using our trusty scissors. Okay, now that you have cut out the back of your pattern and the front of your pattern, turn these pattern pieces over to the other side and mark the darts with your tailor's chalk. Once you finish that, you can take the pins out of the fabric, take away the pattern piece like this. Do it with the front one as well. And there you go, you've got the front part of the bodice with the darts marked on the inside, and you've got the back of the bodice with the darts marked on the inside. So what you can do with the darts is you can pin those down and sew them from the inside. So there you go. There's some tips on how to cut out a pattern. Hope you've enjoyed the video today, and I hope you have a great day. We shall see you next time.